Okay, now that I've actually got colors in my swatch palette in InDesign, how do I actually apply those to other objects on the page? Well, if I was going to make a rectangle, draw it somewhere on the page, and I wanted to say fill it with the Walmart orange color and then put a blue Walmart blue stroke around the edge of that, make sure that I get to the swatch palette, draw the object, make sure it's selected. Up here in the top left corner, it's too bad these icons aren't bigger, but if you kind of drag across them, the object to the left controls the fill, the object to the right controls the stroke. So I click on the fill, and right now it's set at being none. I'd say fill it with the Walmart orange, and then I could, if I wanted to, just leave it at that, or I could click on the stroke button, and then I could go ahead and fill it with the Walmart blue. If for some reason I couldn't see that, I would use that in conjunction with this stroke panel. Right now it's got a 1-point stroke, which is about the weight of a pencil. So from this view, if I was to select that and type in, say, the number 8, you'll be able to see that. So that's one way that I'm able to add colors to an actual object, a rectangle, a circle, or something that I've drawn in InDesign. Click on it, and then go use the swatch panel to either adjust the stroke or the fill. For some reason, I think that that orange is overwhelming. Well, first of all, let's take the blue rectangle off. And I want this to be some very much lighter color or version of that orange, but I still want it to retain the same hue or that same kind of school bus yellow-orange color. I'm going to go back and make sure that I'm set on the fill with the Walmart orange. And I can come up here to the top where it says tint, right here. And instead of using it at 100%, I could type in 50 to only have it be half the value. Or I could type it to be 20 to make it be a much lighter screen version of that. But they're still all retaining within that same hue that's contained within that Walmart orange color. How about adding text to text blocks or color to text blocks? If I had my text in this box, quick brown fox, and I'm going to go ahead and just use Command Shift and the greater than symbol to blow this up quite a bit, just so that I can see it easier. Once I've got that text enlarged, then I'm going to hold down the Option button and I'm going to hit the up arrow to tighten the leading on those two lines. If I select the text block with the black arrow tool and I come over to the swatch panel and I click the Walmart orange, it's going to fill the background of the rectangle frame, because that's what the black arrow does. It's worrying about this. Or if I was to come in here and for some reason the stroke panel was lit up and I clicked on one of the blue colors, what this is doing is this is actually adding a stroke to the outside of the box. And that's probably not what I was looking for. I'm hoping that you were just wanting to colorize the text. If that's the case, you need to make sure that the text is highlighted with the text tool. And when that is done, now if I go back over to the swatch palette, it's the fill that controls the color of the text. So if I clicked on this button, it's going to fill with the orange text. If I click on this button, it's going to fill with the Walmart blue. I still seem to have a stroke around this box, so I'm going to click on the None command. But again, I want to change the color of the text block. Make sure that you have the swatch panel open. Make sure that your text is highlighted with the type tool, and then make sure that you're setting on the fill, not the stroke function, and you could walk through the different colors to change it to be whatever it is that you were looking for.